I'm in the brand new BMW M340i X-Drive. Now next to me is a BMW M2 competition pack. So I've got a 3-litre straight 6 turbocharged engine with 382 horsepower. That has a 3-litre straight 6 twin turbocharged engine with 410 horsepower. Here's rear wheel drive, and that's a manual car. I've got all wheel drive and I've got an automatic. We're gonna have a drag race to see what happens. Now, I'm actually driving on a slightly damp part of the track. I've given him the drier part, obviously, because he might struggle with traction off the line. Anyway, let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he had a bit of a cheeky start there. It's close. No, it's neck and neck. It's his gear changes that are letting him down. This is going to be close. Is he going to pit me at the end? Oh my gosh. Wow, that was really close, that was. I'm not sure which car won. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the rear-wheel drive M2 actually got off the line first, but then the M340 pulled it back with its faster gear changes. In the end, they crossed the line pretty much exactly at the same time, doing the standing quarter mile in 12.6 seconds. Now we can have a rolling race from around 50 miles an hour. He's in third manual, I'm locked in third. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's so close, but he's going to take me now. And he's got me. And that is the power advantage that M2 has. 410 horsepower compared to just over 380. Obviously, the M2 competition is lighter, as it doesn't have the added weight of 4-wheel drive. And this also means it's without doubt the most fun, especially if you have access to a track and plenty of spare tyres. However, even though the new M340i X-Drive does have 4-wheel drive, its rear drive biased nature means you can still have a laugh with it. In fact, the car is so good that it gives a bit of a hint about how epic the next M3 and M4 will be. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on our logo to subscribe to this channel, and if you click on the bottom right hand corner you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.